Hello guys, welcome to Digital Doorway YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce to an amazing design tool named Crello. As digital marketers, we often rely on graphic designers or marketing agencies to get our design done, whether it's design of Facebook posts or Instagram posts, videos, flyers, brochures, etc., whatever it might be. And most of us at some point must have used Canva to have some small things done, but it's often a frustrating experience to have to depend on someone, right? So as you know that Canva has an alternate, and that's Crello, and it's an amazing graphic design and video design tool for making professional looking designs in just a few clicks. By using this tool, not only do we get design, but we also get up to 500,000 premium photos, which is in the pro version of Crello. Some of the designs that include social media include Facebook post, Facebook video cover, Facebook event cover, Instagram stories, Instagram video story, Twitter, YouTube, thumbnail, and then even Google banner ads. And social media, again, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Twitter ads, Office documents, etc. So let's take a look at this tool and what it has to offer in the dashboard. Now let me just show you the pricing first. There's a free version of Crello, so it's free to use just like Canva is. It offers 30,000 graphic and animated templates, instant access to 140 million stock images, and we can also upload our own fonts and images. In the pro version, which is priced at $7.99 per month, this is the yearly plan where you save 20%. It has the last three things. This is 500,000 premium images, videos and animations, and we can also have teams to collaborate on designs, right? And if you want to pay monthly, then it's $9.9. So it comes to somewhere around $100, $108, right? So the good thing is that, you know, Crello is on offer on AppSumo for just $49, and it's a lifetime deal. So I'll put a link in the description where you can click and go to AppSumo and buy it. And I highly recommend that you buy this tool since it's on offer, and you won't be getting an offer of this type, you know. It's a once in a lifetime deal. So make sure that you guys check out this tool and then buy it. I'm going to walk you now through what this tool has to offer. So it's, first of all, it's available in different languages, you know, Dutch, French, Spanish, Italian, etc. Okay. And then if you come down, this is what I was telling you. Choose the format for your design. We have social media over here, graphic post, video post, full HD. This is the Facebook post, video cover, everything related to Facebook over here, everything related to Instagram with the size. They have even mentioned the size over here, with Twitter, with other social media, which is the YouTube, Pinterest and Tumblr. Online marketing, we have the email header, medium rectangle, leaderboard, infographic, even logo, animated logo, right? And if you are noticing, then we can choose this format and go ahead and design it. Social media ads, ad banners, print, documents, printouts, the posters, business cards, etc. We have the web, the blog sizes. There are two different blog sizes which they have given. Blog header, another one. We have the personal suite, which is the invitation card, postcard, gift certificate, brochure, etc. And in video and animation, we have Facebook video cover, Instagram video cover. This is something which is really amazing in Crello, and which you get, which is the video and animation. Okay, let's take an example of Facebook video cover. Okay, now even in the free version, as I mentioned, that we have some videos which are using filters. So you can select the filter type over here and see which industry you are in, and then choose the industry. Let's take the example of nature and wildlife, for example. So there are different templates which are given over here, and since it's downloading, let's wait for a moment. Okay, so you, regardless of which industry which field you choose, you'll always get a lot of templates, right? So let's say we choose this one. Now first of all, you can watch what this video is before you confirm. It's taking a while. Hang on, let me choose another one. Okay, it's working. Okay, so you can play this and see what this video is, for how long it is, right? And after choosing it, then you can confirm it, and it drops into this panel. Till it's pulling in. And then what you can do with these is that, for example, you like this video but you like to customize the video by adding some text or whatever you want. So you can, for example, you can use this text button over here and choose the type that you want. Let's say I go with subheading, and you can drag it wherever you want, and you can pull it from here like this. You can set your font type over here, what you want. Select the font, select the size of the text. Let's say I go with 30, right? And then bold, italic, underline, uppercase, line height, increase or decrease, right? Line spacing. So you can play around with what you want and how you want. So it makes our job really easier, and we don't have to really rely on graphic designers or agencies for doing these kind of works. And this is just an example of a video. Even in images, it's the same. You have an image which you want to resize, you just drag and drop it over there, and you can, you can write whatever you want. Same deal with photos. For example, you want this, you would add this over here, so you can again play around with this. You want to change the background, it's really beautiful. And if you go with the pro version, you get more options over here, especially in the videos panel. You get more over here, and over here, for example, for this image, if you want to filter it, if you want to crop it, if you want transparency, for example, you see, so you really blend in with the color of the background, right? If you want to add some animation, if you want to lock this over here, for example, you can lock it. You'll find this locked over here. You can add layering. You can send this back, or you can bring it forward, set as background, whatever you want. You can clone, duplicate, or clone it, right? So there are a lot of options over here which you can really play around with. And if you go to the designs, again, you find different designs over here. Let's take another example. Let's take an example of an image, right? Let's take this one, for example. Okay, this is an image of Instagram, 1080 by 1080 pixels. And if you want to change the background color, you need to click over here and then change the color. The only drawback which I've seen after using this is that there aren't really default gradient versions. I don't know why. Hopefully they will come up with some gradient versions, because a lot of brands use gradient as a standard color these days. So that's the only drawback which I've seen, and we're hoping that that's addressed in future updates, right? So you can change the color. You can really, even in shades of yellow, you can see there are different shades, so you can really play around with the tool, whatever you want, right? You can add more photos over here. You can add videos, right? And then you can also share it over here on these platforms, share a link or embed for approval, etc., right? And you can download it if you're done with designing, right? So I really suggest that you buy this tool on AppSumo, because it's just for $49 and it's for a lifetime, and you get all of these different media sizes for Facebook, for Instagram, and you can really take advantage of this, and you can minimize your time by using such tools. Unfortunately, Canva is not giving any offer at the moment, and because its nearest alternate is Crello, it's really wise if you can really go for this tool. So please find the link in the description, and if you like this video, please let me know if you have any thoughts, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It'll really encourage me to create more videos like this, right? Thank you and goodbye.